Greetings, everyone. This is Eric Hong, Executive Director at the Momiji Healthcare Society, speaking to you again on March the 10th, 2021. As usual, this is a posting about COVID-19 and this week specifically about vaccination. I guess at this point, everybody's been hearing lots about the vaccination program being rolled out across Ontario and also across the city of Toronto. The question that seems to be on everybody's mind these days have been who can get inoculated against COVID-19, when and where it might be available. It has been top of mind for a lot of people who've been approaching Momiji staff asking about it. So we will share with you the latest information that we are able to get, and hopefully that will answer some of your questions. Now the vaccination of residents of long-term care homes and retirement residences, as well as high priority healthcare workers, has essentially been completed. Older adults aged 80 and above are now at the front of the line to get the vaccine. Some hospitals in the city of Toronto have started inoculating inpatients as well as their family medicine program outpatients who are of this age group. Pre-registering at COVID vaccinations clinics is something that is of interest to many people. We have now learned that individuals aged 80 and above living in the city of Toronto can indeed register for their turn to be vaccinated through a website. The website is called Toronto Hospitals and Ontario Health Teams COVID-19 Vaccination Pre-Registration and Booking Site. The specific web address is www.vaccineto, that's vaccineto.ca/landing. So again, the web address is www.vaccineto.ca/landing. Booking appointments at 13 clinics located across the city of Toronto can now be done through this one portal. If you can log onto it, you will be able to find out which of those 13 clinics might work best for you. And for us, closest to Momiji are two of the clinic sites. One of them is at Centennial College, near Markham Road and Highway 401. The other one is at Scarborough Health Network, the hospital, at their Centenary site at Ellesmere Road and Nielsen Road. The clinic at Centenary Hospital site can also be reached through their own website, and the web address is www.scarboroughcovidvaccineclinic.ca. So that's www.scarboroughcovidvaccineclinic.ca. These web addresses and other information, as well as the message I'm speaking to you with, is in a printed format hard copy that has already been distributed to the mailboxes of all Momiji Seniors residents. Please note that an appointment made in advance is required to get the vaccine from any of these clinics. Walking in without an appointment will not be accommodated, even if the person walking in is of the appropriate age range. Appointments at these clinics can be made either by logging into their websites that I have just told you about or by telephone. The general telephone number to call for this purpose is 1-888-385-1910. Again, the telephone number to call if you wish to make an appointment to get the vaccine is 1-888-385-1910. If you wish to and are able to make an appointment, as well as to attend the clinic by yourself or with the help of your family, please do go ahead and do so. To get vaccinated this way, you need to be able to arrange for your own transportation to go to and from the clinic. Unfortunately, Momiji is not able to provide transportation assistance for you to do this. I would also like to talk about a second option if you wish to get vaccinated. Momiji is working on getting a mobile vaccination clinic to come to us. As you are aware, at Momiji, we have asked tenants of our seniors residents and know that about 140 of you do wish to be vaccinated sooner rather than later. We also appreciate that actually traveling to a clinic might prove difficult for many of you. We are in the process of exploring with the local hospital, Scarborough Health Network, to see if they can send a mobile vaccination clinic team to come to Momiji and inoculate tenants right here on site. We have just learned that the hospital has tested using a mobile vaccination clinic team yesterday, on Tuesday, March 9th. The initial outcome seemed to have been positive. It had allowed for a good number of seniors to be vaccinated near where they live without them having to go to the hospital. The hospital is considering making further use of such a mobile vaccination clinic team at other Scarborough locations, including at Momiji. But we have not yet heard from them definitively as to whether they're going to do so, and if so, when will they do so. They are aware of our need and the reality that many of our seniors residents tenants might have difficulty going to the hospital. We are hopeful that they will indeed send a mobile team to us. We will inform you as soon as we hear more definitively from the hospital as to whether they will do so, and if so, when. So please keep your ears open, and we will let you know as soon as that is confirmed. Lastly, I would like to request that you keep us informed if you have been vaccinated or if you're going to be vaccinated by making your own appointment, because it is important for us to know so that we do not duplicate making an appointment for you if and when we succeed in getting a mobile vaccination team to come to us. As I had said before, 140 of you have given us your name and your intention to get vaccinated if we can arrange it. So if we hear from the hospital, we will have to give them that list. And we will be calling you if and when they come to Momiji. But if you already have had your shot, you shouldn't be getting a shot from us again that soon. We have already heard of one incident where someone somehow got 2 shots of the vaccine too quickly, one after another, and have experienced some bad reactions from doing so. So again, if you are making your own arrangements to get your vaccine, please let us know so that we don't duplicate appointments when the mobile team comes to us. I hope I have given you information that you seek at this time. If you have further questions about how to get vaccinated, please ask me or any Momiji staff, and we will try our best to help you get the appropriate and correct answer to them. Thank you.